Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In this complete tutorial, I'll show you how to manually configure the NETGEAR Orbi RBE870 series tri-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system without using the Orbi app. From unboxing and hardware connections to logging into the web interface and customizing your Wi-Fi settings, every step is explained in simple language. Whether you're replacing an old router or installing a new mesh network, this guide will help you get online quickly and confidently. So let's start the setup video. Firstly, plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your modem's LAN port. Connect the other end to the Internet, 10 gig WAN, port on the back of the Orbi router. Turn on the modem and wait until all Internet lights become stable. Plug the Orbi router into a power outlet. Press the power button if necessary. The front LED will pulse white, indicating the router is starting up. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes until the startup process finishes. Now connect to the Orbi network. Option A is using Wi-Fi. Locate the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password on the router label. Connect your phone, tablet, or computer to the Orbi Wi-Fi network. Option B is using Ethernet. Connect your computer directly to one of the router's LAN ports. Launch a web browser. Enter one of the following in the address bar: orbilogin.com or orbilogin.net. Press Enter. You'll be prompted to log in. The default username is admin, and the default password is password, unless you've changed these credentials. The Orbi Setup Wizard will open automatically. Click Next. Accept the terms and conditions. The router will detect your internet connection automatically. Configure your internet connection. First is Dynamic IP, DHCP, usually detected automatically. Second is PPPoE, enter your ISP username and password. And the third one is Static IP, enter the IP information provided by your ISP. Click Next after completing the required information. Create your wireless network. Wi-Fi name, SSID, choose a unique network name. Wi-Fi password, create a strong password containing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Click Next to continue. Set up the administrator account used to manage the Orbi system. Username, usually remains admin password, create a secure password. Select and answer the security questions. This password is different from your Wi-Fi password. Place each satellite within 30 to 50 feet, 9 to 15 meters, of the router during the initial setup. Power on the satellite. Wait until its LED turns white. After successful pairing, move the satellite halfway between router or weak signal area. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.